Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is especially for international students who come to Canada, newcomers, refugees, permanent residents, or any other person who come to Canada for a short-term basis or for permanently. So it is for everyone. So in this video I will try to share my experience and we will talk about credit cards and why credit cards are so important in Canada and what kind of banking facilities we should have in Canada. So we will begin by taking the case of an international student. For example, a student is coming from India, so he will land in India and now he needs a bank account. So initially, I believe in all the banks there are newcomer student benefits for all the students. So it means that if you are a student who is coming to Canada and you open a bank account in Canada and you provide your study permit to bankers, then you don't have to pay any fee as long as you are a student in Canada. Same happens with a person who is on work permit. So that person, chances are that if he opens a bank account, he will not pay any monthly fee for 1 year or 2 years. So it depends on bank to bank. And same happens with the permanent residents. They also get free banking offers initially. Canadian banks provide a lot of benefits to newcomers. So your banking will be free initially, and also you will get a you will also be eligible for a credit card. Now the decision is yours whether you want to get a credit card or not. So in my opinion, having a credit card is very useful in Canada because it is kind of like an emergency fund. You have funds in your bank account, which is good, but sometimes you can use your credit card. Here I have heard that, and this is my experience and I am not an authority and I can't guarantee what I am saying. I am just sharing my experience. I have heard that if you use your credit card in Canada, then the credit score goes up. Credit score is very important in Canada because when a person comes to Canada and initially he manages to live with friends, family, relatives, then he needs a rental accommodation, an apartment of his or her own. So then that apartment authority, they check the credit score of the person. So it is always useful to have a good credit score. And when one uses a credit card, the credit score goes up slowly and slowly. The credit score depends on number of factors, like if you are paying your monthly bills on time, monthly bills like you are paying your phone bills on time, you are paying your hydro bill is like electricity bill, you are paying your cable bill, internet bill, all the bills on time, and you should pay all those bill on time. Otherwise, if you miss your payment, then that will go into collection and your credit score will go down, which will have a very devastating implications for your future, because you will be unable to get any lending facility from any bank. You will not be even eligible for a credit card. So always pay your bills on time. Now the decision is yours. If you think you would go for a credit card, there are three types of credit cards in Canada as per my experience. First one is, if you are a fan of traveling, you travel a lot, you move to different provinces, you have families, and you go to states, United States, or you have plans to go back to your hometown multiple times in 1 year. So then go for travel rewards point cards. So there are number of options on that, like Aventura or Aeroplan. They provide you travel points, and when you spend any dollar on those credit cards, you earn travel points, so which you can use toward the payment of your plane ticket in the future. So travel card travel credit card is useful for persons who travel a lot. Secondly, people who don't want to travel too much, who think that they will just stay in Canada and they have no intention to travel, so they can go for cashback credit card. In that credit card, if you spend your money on different categories like grocery, gas, dining, transportation, drugs, that means medicine, so then you get some cash back. It depends on what kind of credit card you have, and normally you will get 1% to 4% of the amount you spent as a cashback, and that cashback will be accumulated in your credit card account, which you can use based on the terms and condition. And the third credit card is low interest credit card. Some people in Canada, they keep balances in their credit card, so they keep those card. I will not discuss that credit card with low interest rate, because that is an expensive affair. If you are coming to Canada, make sure that you are paying your credit card bills on a monthly basis. At least try to make the balance of your credit card zero at least once a month, and then rotate it. Credit card is a revolving credit, and you should use it wisely. You can carry balance, you can pay interest, but it is not wise because interest rate is huge, like 22% approximate. So in this way, if you think you want to go for a credit card, you can choose between travel and cashback. My personal favorite is cashback, as I don't travel too much, so I have cashback credit cards, and I love getting cashback on every purchase. And this is my suggestion for you guys. And afterwards, when you spend some time here after 1 or 2 years, when you are not eligible for free banking, then try to maintain some balance in your bank account, in your checking account, and try to go for the higher end banking, the best package the bank has, because in that way, if you are maintaining some balance, you are not paying any fee in the bank. Fee is a lot in the bank, I'm telling you. So make sure you maintain some balance, approximate 5-6 thousand, depends on bank to bank. But also you will get free credit card. Some credit card, there is an annual cost of 140.99, so cost vary. But if you maintain that balance in your checking account, in your bank account, then you will not have to pay that annual fee. So I don't like paying fees. I like to save fees, and I like to maintain balance, because when I pay a fee, it hurts. And when it hurts me, then I think and then I try to maintain my balance. Uh, I believe that's all, guys, in this video. There is tons of things in bankings to cover. Maybe in my next video I will talk about line of credit and its benefits, and we can also talk about low interest rate credit cards, and what should we choose, a line of credit or a credit card. That is a topic for separate video. So that's all in this video, and I will be back with a new video. Thank you very much. If you're still here, have a nice day.